Now we are starting with tool Image Candy. Every YouTuber faces difficulties during making thumbnail by removing backgrounds, converting into PNG format, or by compressing photos or more for more things. For this they are using different tools to edit each element in the thumbnail. To resolve this issue and save your time, come on this AI website and take advantage of all these features at the same place. Search on Google for Image Candy website. Go on this AI website and here you can get almost every tool for your photo editing. Image converter, resize image, compress image, remove background image, to PDF, rotate image, watermark image, meme generator, HEIC, to JPG, video to GIF. To remove the background, upload the image. After processing, background will be removed and you can download the image.
If you like my video, then do subscribe my channel and get updated for new videos. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.